cookie.
And a cookie.
Samantha, did you give one to Rachel?
Yeah. And Carol.
Want to give that to Omi so you don't drop it somewhere? You're going to give it to the kids?
I'm going to give it to Michael.
Rachel, I'll be right back out.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Is that, I know what that is.
It's a flip.
Yeah. How did you find out about those?
I love them. I give them away for wedding gifts. Rachel, happy Halloween.
Mom, these are my steps.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth, smile. Smile. Do some voodoo. Come on, do some voodoo. And here's a little peanut. There's Caroline. Smile. Happy Halloween. Somebody's piglet.
Destroy.
Wow. Lance, you look pretty scary.
Maybe it looks like the war got you some cartilage in your thing.
Whoa.
I'm glad
Nick?
I don't think the athletic.
Lance, I don't like that activity. Nick?
Don't go in the street.
Here comes the soul.
Do not leave this yard.
Do you guys want